Hi, this is Daniel and I'm back with another review of places to stay around the world. This time we stayed in what they call a homestay, which is actually a new thing for us. We had never stayed in a homestay before, and I'm really glad we did. We actually had a very good experience. A homestay, for those of you who don't know, is actually a person's house here in Ubud, Bali, where we're staying currently. And they open up their house, and sometimes they live at the house, and sometimes they have other people who stay at the house, and then they rent out the other rooms within the house to various travelers. Sometimes they rent it out to families, or sometimes they rent it out to backpackers or individual travelers. It's a really unique group of individuals, which is one of the strong points of staying at a homestay. It's almost staying like at a hostel, but it's a much higher level of privacy and comfort. This particular homestay is about, I don't know, I want to say about 2 kilometers from Ubud. It's maybe like a 5 or a 10-minute drive into downtown Ubud. It's in a really good location because it's far enough away from downtown Ubud that you can come back to the homestay and relax in the pool, or you can just hop in a taxi and be there within 5 or 10 minutes. Out in the front of the homestay is this road, but across the street from the road is a really beautiful little rice field. Here, take a look and let me show you. Inside the house is absolutely spectacular. They have a nice tile floor and lots of really nice furniture, and an open area where all the guests can lounge, or a family of 6 like us can just hang out and get to know people and have some food. Let's take a tour of the living room real quick. Over behind me is a sitting area where people can hang out and watch some TV. It's right next to a little desk where they do all the check-ins and take care of all the business. Once you look past me, out here in the back, you'll see an entryway to the backyard and spectacular views in the pool. To your left, right behind me, is one of the rooms that we rented. This is where my wife and kids stayed. It's a big, spacious room with a nice, comfy bed and a private bathroom. Let's go see what it looks like. Of course, we've been staying in this room for the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, so it's not as clean and neat as it would be when you got here. But it's got lots of room for the kids to lounge about, and it's got a nice big comfy bed. And let's go take a look at the bathroom real quick. I think one of the neat features about this place is this indoor-outdoor bathroom. It really adds to the ambience, and it's got a mosquito netting at the top, so that way the bugs don't get in and out. It's got some little greenery over here in the corner that is just adds to the ambience as well. Just a nice little place to come sit and soak while you relax after you've had a long day on the streets of Ubud. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house real quick. In here is a dining room table where guests can come together and eat some food. It's very well maintained, and it's a nice little walkway to the backyard right behind me. Surrounding this area is 3 more rooms where guests can stay. They're all nicely maintained and have nice comfy beds with air conditioning. Over here behind me is the kitchen where they do any cooking. They can make meals for you if you request them a day in advance, and otherwise you can keep food here in the refrigerator right here in front of me, or you can use the utensils. They provide water for you to drink right over here. Right here behind me is another beautiful view of the rice fields in the backyard, where we've done most of our lounging and spent most of our time. On a clear day, you can see Mount Agung in the distance, and it's a big mountain. It's huge. It's yeah, it's a really magnificent sight to see. Let's go take a look out towards the back. Out here on the back porch is a nice little lounging area where we've spent most of our time eating our meals. They got a little table and some cushions to lounge down on that are super comfortable, and it's where I've spent the past 3 nights watching the sunset. Now let's go take a look at the pool. Hey guys, say hi. This out here is where we've spent most of our time hanging out when we're here at the hotel. It's a great little pool area with a view of the rice fields, and it's just a nice little place to get away from the hustle and bustle and hang out. Thank you and have a good day. Hope you're living life to the fullest. Take care.